Hey guys, welcome back to my unboxing video of EB01. This will be part 7. Alright, let's get into it. Let's see. So after this box, I think I have like
2 more boxes left, and then that will be it. Hopefully, in those 2 more boxes, I can like pull
out a manga rare soon.
If not, I'll be very sad. Very sad. Sad times 11.
Laboon. Oh, we've got an SR.
Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well.
We got Young Brook. Intelligent. Let's see. Oh, another SR. I actually forgot his name, but he's a guy who uses scissors as his double fruit. He can like cut through anything. One of the world government. I mean, one of the revolutionary army. He's cool. Oh, it's a she now.
Until this day, I have no idea if the one was originally a girl.
Guy. It's very hard to tell even when he was younger. His power is similar to Doc Q's power from Blackbeard.
Where there's a spoiler for those who haven't seen the fight between Law and Blackbeard, but yeah.
Doc Q just turned Law into a girl and the rest of his crew.
And then, yeah, it's just, it looks similar, but there's still some differences. And then I think Law found out that he can like
countered the devil fruit power with his haki, so he got turned
back immediately. So that's good. Oh yeah, and there's also this meme about Chopper, how he's a drug dealer.
now. He just gives them the rumble ball to
Dippo, I think. And then Dippo was able to transform into a Sulon form. Chopper, the drug dealer.
Definitely one of Big Mom Pirate.
You can honestly tell.
Luffy, some old dude. I forgot who he is. This guy is. Oh, I forgot his name. Oh, we've got a.
SR, a V, / Miss Wednesday. so I just leave it both ways. Like, it's either like the top, the bottom go down or the top goes up. I wonder if we're getting more hits. We got 2 more packs left after this one.
Well, that just fell. Oh, it's got another SR. A VV. Seems like we're not pulling anything new out of this box. I'm still missing like around 9 more cards left to finish the EB01 collection.
And one of those 9 is a chocolate mango rare. Sadly.
Starting off with Princess Shirahoshi, and then I need to search up his or her name because I forgot, but one of the Revolutionary Army. We've got Princess Vivi, back when she was Miss Wednesday, serving crocodile. Oh, and another Vivi. Nice. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy, and tune in for my next unboxing video.